Hello everyone, my name is Dipti Nashine. This is my third video under International FDP on Environment and Sustainability, Open Education for Better World. This is subject specific environment awareness video. I am from D.Y. Patil Institute of Master of Computer Application and Management, MCA department. Subject for the presentation is Energy Independent Electric Vehicle for Environment Sustainability. Concept and process from Pune, Maharashtra. In my week 1 video, I have explained how artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques can be used for attaining sustainability by giving some examples. Along with it, I have explained environmental applications using artificial intelligence. In my second week video, I have explained how artificial intelligence can be used for achieving sustainability. It is very important to understand our roles and responsibility towards Mother Earth for saving our planet. I have explained 8 challenges that can be overcome using machine learning for environment sustainability. Out of those 8 challenges, in this video I'll explain one challenge that can be overcome using machine learning and artificial intelligence, that is independent electric vehicle using computer technology. The outcome of the videos will be understand the importance of independent electric vehicles, learn how to calculate carbon footprint for vehicles, apply the concept to improve the standards of vehicle to reduce pollution, and design independent vehicle for sustainable environment. ISO standard for electric industry and quality are R2 Sustainable Electronic Recycling International, that is SERI. R2 2013 standard. SERI is housing body for the R2 standard and works to raise awareness of electronics repair and recycling issues around the world. Environmental, international and occupational health and safety standards. ISO 14001:2015 International Standards for Environment Management System. Goal is to reduce the environment footprint of a business and decrease the pollution. Next is ISO 9001:2015, that is for quality. ISO 9001 is defined as international standard that specifies requirement for quality management system, that is QMS. Organization use the standard to demonstrate the ability to consistently provide product and services that meet customer and regulatory requirements. Next standard is ISO 27001:2013. It provides a set of standardized requirements for an information security management system, that is ISMS. The standard adopts a process-based approach for establishing, implementing, operating, monitoring, maintaining, and improving your ISMS. Now, in this pictorial representation, I have explained greenhouse gas emission report, which is given in 2014. It is just for reference that these are the industries: building, electricity, agriculture, waste and transmission. What percentage they contribute to greenhouse gas emission? Transportation contributes 34%, industry 30%, building 17%, electricity 9%, agriculture 6%, and waste 7%. Under transportation includes road transportation, civil aviation, railways, navigation, off-roads, and so on. In this pictorial representation, I have explained that road transportation contributes to 32.08%, which is a major contribution in greenhouse gas emission. Now, how machine learning can be used for environment sustainability? A machine learning method can be used for predicting driving range of battery electric vehicles. So it will be very convenient for a driver to predict how long its battery gonna last. Next, enhancing the driver's braking style through visual elements that are displayed on vehicle dashboard as a human-machine interface, accentuating eco-driving behaviors. And machine learning technology can bring battery charging times down by using various algorithms on the pre-data available or based on the historical data which is available with the experts. Now this can help in reducing the battery charging times. So this is how this machine learning technology can be used in electric vehicles, that is EV. Now what is carbon footprint? It is historically defined as total greenhouse gas emission caused by an individual, event, organization, product. It is expressed as carbon dioxide equivalent. The major contributions or the parts of carbon footprint include transport, offset, electricity, emission, fuel, gas, recycling and waste. Now here carbon footprint calculations have been given for electricity, natural gas, fuel oil, LPG, waste and water. The reference from which it has been taken has been given at the bottom of the slide. Now reasons to adopt electric vehicle. What is the requirement? How it help in attaining sustainability is being explained by this diagram. The first reason to adapt for electric vehicles is eliminate cost of fuel, reduction of harmful gases, the main one, energy independent, home recharging and government benefits for EV buyers. Now carbon footprint calculation has been given here. For car, if 70 miles has been travelled by an average van, motorbike and a car database, that is by diesel car with average diesel car, then 0.02 metric tons is being emitted, or this much carbon footprint can be calculated. For motorbike which travels for about 75 miles, if a scooter or a moped is of 125 cc, then efficiency can be calculated as 68.7.14. So it is 0.00 metric ton. Since it is bit less, so metric ton which has been shown over here is 0.00. Now for public transport such as bus, coach, commuter train, long distance train, subway and taxi is being given here. Now here we can see that 0.01 metric ton is been contributed for 1000 km traveled for a long distance train. For others it has been calculated as 0.00 metric ton. Since it has been calculated in metric ton, the number is 00 or 0.01. Now sustainability standards or computation. Countries should develop a flexible and adaptive system for transportation. Transportation is a major source of greenhouse gas emission worldwide. Reducing greenhouse gas emission from transportation is the key to slowing climate change and making sure a planet stays a healthy place to live. Electric vehicles fight climate change by powering transportation and electricity with electricity, not fossil fuel. Driving an electric vehicle can cut down fossil fuel emission in half or get rid of them entirely when renewable energy sources are used. Now this is an alternative option that renewable energy resources can be reused for driving vehicles. Statistics indicates that transportation is responsible for 14% of global greenhouse gas emission. Electric vehicle users become energy independent by using solar panels. One can simply install these solar panels at your home or residence and can charge your cars and can become energy independent for independent electric vehicles. This was all about how environment sustainability can be achieved using independent vehicles and using machine learning technology. Thank you.